Today we are going to make a few yogurt-based marinades and sauces. Yogurt is a great way to slowly tenderize meats and add healthy saturated fats to your dish and give it additional flavor. First, I will show you two methods to make basil and sunflower seed pesto using a food processor and a mortar and pestle, which we will later mix with some full-fat Greek yogurt to make into a marinade. You will need the following ingredients: 1 cup of basil packed, half a cup of raw sunflower seeds, a quarter cup of olive oil, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, or more if you like it garlicky, a quarter teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast or Parmesan cheese, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Making pesto is very simple. For the food processor method, first add all your ingredients except the olive oil. Secure the lid and slowly drizzle the oil while the machine is on. Continue until it resembles a thick, slightly chunky sauce. Place your pesto in a container and store in the fridge. Remove it 10 minutes before using to allow the oil to come to room temperature. If you don't have a food processor, a mortar or pestle is a very inexpensive way to make pesto. I have a smaller one, so I'll be making a smaller batch. First, take your garlic and a little bit of salt and grind it into a paste. Add the sunflower seeds and grind them into the garlic. Add the basil in 3 or 4 additions until it forms a fairly fine paste. At this point, determine if you have enough garlic or sunflower seeds. I added more sunflower seeds. Finally, add the lemon juice, nutritional yeast or Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. Mix until well combined. We'll take the pesto that we just made and combine it with a few spoonfuls of full-fat Greek yogurt. Mix well, then combine with the chicken wings. Cover with plastic and let it marinate for a minimum of 15 minutes. Next, we'll make Indian-inspired yogurt marinated chicken wings. You will need the following ingredients: 1 cup of full-fat Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and about 1 to 2 pounds of skin-on chicken wings. Combine all the ingredients except the chicken together and mix well. Add about a third of the yogurt mixture and combine with the chicken. You can add a little bit of water or rice vinegar to make the remaining yogurt mixture into a thinner sauce-like consistency. Cover with plastic and let it marinate for a minimum of 15 minutes. Lastly, we'll make a cucumber raita. You will need the following ingredients: half a cup of full-fat Greek yogurt, half a cup of chopped seeded English cucumbers, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro, 1 tablespoon of chopped green onions, a quarter teaspoon of ground coriander, and a quarter teaspoon of ground cumin. If you've already chopped all your fresh ingredients, then add everything into a large enough bowl. Mix everything together till combined. Cover and let sit for a minimum of 10 minutes to allow the cucumber some time to release some water, making your raita a little thinner. Now it's time to cook off the chicken wings. I'll be cooking off my wings on a 400-degree Fahrenheit grill. Place all the wings onto the grill and cook for 5 minutes. If you don't have a grill, you can easily do this on a parchment-lined sheet pan in an oven set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and cook for approximately 15 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 155 degrees Fahrenheit. After 5 minutes on the grill, flip the wings and close the lid to cook for 10 more minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 155 degrees Fahrenheit. The chicken will reach 160 during carry-over cooking. Now plate up your food and serve it with the sauces that you set aside. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.